My name is Gary Kinion. I'm from Garden Grove, California, and I brought a 69 Shortbed Fleetside CST pickup. It was in the 1993-94 area when I took it up to CPP and dropped it off. He said Jim wanted to do a C-notch kit and he needed a truck to do it with, so I told him, you can do it with mine. Him and his crew, I think they pulled the bed off. Then they started making all the measurements, and they cut the frame and made all the patterns for it, and they welded this one in, and they made their patterns off it, and that's the pattern they're still using today for their C-notch kit, I believe. Shortly after that, I told Jim I wanted to put disc brakes on the front of my 69, but I didn't want to change the 6-lug wheels. I like the 6-lug Rally, the original Rally wheel that came on it. I don't know how he did it, but he made a 6-lug rotor, and they installed it on this truck. They put their master cylinder proportioning valve, and they put a 6-lug rotor, and he went from there. Started making a 6-lug disc brake kit as an option for people that didn't want to get rid of their 6-lug wheel.